Oh! Today we will be talking about the tools that were used in the Civil War. The first tool we will be talking about is the tourniquet. The tourniquet was used to apply pressure to arteries to limit bleeding. The knobs on the sides were used to tighten it, and the buckle was used to release the pressure. The second tool they used was the amputation knife. The amputation knife was used to quickly cut muscles into flaps, which were then turned over the end of the bone. The surgeons would use amputation knives to trim down the bone prior to cutting it with a bone saw. A small amputation knife was used to cut between joints during amputations on fingers and toes. One other important instrument was the forceps. The forceps were one of the most common instruments used by surgeons in the Civil War. The primary function was removing bullet fragments and bones. The larger forceps could be used to remove bones from hands. The saws of the Civil War were very unique and very different from the ones that we use today. Take the chainsaw, for instance. Normally you think of something that cuts down a tree, but it really is a rope-like blade that was threaded behind a bone and pulled back and forth till the bone was cut in half. The bone saw, another very important piece of Civil War doctor instruments, was different in this because its handles were made out of wood and they looked like a pistol grip. This is the end of our show. Thank you for listening.